mod of 2x minus 4 plus mod of x plus 5 is equal to 12. We'll solve this with the standard procedure that we saw in the previous video. We'll make different cases. Case 1 will be when 2x minus 4 is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. So this mod sign will open with a plus sign. Okay, it will open as it is. Case 2 will be when 2x minus 4 is less than 0. So this mod will open with a negative sign in front. Similarly, we will have two cases for this modulus. Case 3 will be when x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. So this mod will open with a positive sign. And case 4 will be when x plus 5 is less than 0. So this mod will open with a negative sign in front. So these are the four cases that we have to consider. Now let me remind you of what we did in the previous video. We made case 1 and case 2. We wrote condition 1 for case 1 and we obtained a solution using that condition, and we took intersection of that condition and the solution and we called it solution 1. Okay, for case 2 also we obtained a condition 2 and we obtained a solution, and we took intersection of condition 2 and solution and obtained a solution 2, and finally we took union of solution 1 and solution 2. So the same thing we are going to do here, but instead of getting confused with these four cases, we will do the same thing differently. We will plot the critical points on number line. We have minus 5 from this bracket. From this term we have minus 5 as the critical point, and from this term we have 2 as the critical point. Now this is very similar to inequalities video. We have three regions here. We have reduced these four cases to 3. Okay, case 1 will be when both these terms are positive. When we are towards the right of 2, both these brackets will be positive, right? 2x minus 4 will give a positive value and x plus 5 will also give a positive value when we are towards the right of 2. And condition for case 1 will be x greater than or equal to 2, right? And then we will have case 2 where the condition will be x is greater than or equal to minus 5 and less than 2. And we will have case 3 where condition will be x is less than minus 5. Okay, these three will be the conditions, and we will solve each of these cases one by one. So instead of making 4 cases, we have 3 cases now obtained on plotting these critical points on the number line. And don't worry about this equal to sign, whether to take this equal to sign here in case 1 or in case 2. You can take it anywhere, but you have to include it somewhere in case 1 or in case 2. You can write x is less than or equal to 2 here and x is greater than 2 here. Don't worry about it. Okay, but you have to include it somewhere so that you cover all the points. Now let's take case 1 now. We are towards the right of 2. Both these terms are positive. So both these mod signs will open directly, okay, with positive signs. So we'll write 2x minus 4 plus x plus 5 is equal to 12. Solve this and we'll get x is equal to 11 upon 3. Okay, this is our solution. This is our condition. Take their intersection. Take intersection of x is equal to 11 by 3 with this region, x is greater than or equal to 2, and we'll get our solution 1 as x is equal to 11 by 3. Okay, this is our solution 1. Take second case. We are towards the left of 2. So this term will give a negative value. So this mod will open with a minus sign. But we are towards the right of minus 5. So this term will still be positive. This mod will open as it is. So our equation will become minus of 2x minus 4 plus x plus 5 is equal to 12. This gives us x is equal to minus 3. Okay, this is the solution with which we will take intersection of condition 2, and this is condition 2. Our intersection will give x is equal to minus 3 only. So this is our solution 2. Okay, take case 3, x is less than minus 5. This is our condition, and towards the left of minus 5, this term will be negative and this term will also be negative. If you are confused about whether this term will be positive or negative. You can pick any value towards the left of minus 5. Take minus 6, put x as minus 6 here. We get minus 12 minus 4, that is minus 16. 2x minus 4 is negative. And put x as minus 6 here, we get minus 6 plus 5 as minus 1. Again, this term also is negative towards the left of minus 5. So, both these mods will open with a negative sign in front. Okay. So, our equation will be minus of 2x minus 4 minus x plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. Solve this and get x is equal to minus 1. Okay. This is our solution. Take its intersection with this condition and you will see that there are no common elements. X is equal to minus 1 does not lie in this range. So, their intersection will be 5. So, our solution 3 is 5. So, we will have to ignore it and our final answer will be solution 1 union solution 2 union solution 3, that is x belongs to discrete set minus 3 comma 11 upon 3. These are the two values of x that will satisfy this equation. Now this is the standard procedure to solve any modulus question, and especially for questions like these where there is a linear term of x and a plus sign between two mods. For questions like these we have a shortcut technique as well, which we will be discussing in the next video, actually next to next video. And till then, this is how you solve questions based on mod. This is the standard procedure.